What's the best lighting for kitchen areas? Let Lamps Plus show you. The kitchen is a very task-intensive room. It's used for everything, from food prep and cooking to entertaining, dining, and more. Lighting in this space has to be functional, usable for many different activities, and stylish. For functional task lighting, you'll want to properly illuminate countertops to give you light to work by. Use under-cabinet lighting to brighten this area. The light is shadow-free, and since you don't see the light source, it really emphasizes the contours and shape of the room. Almost all under-cabinet lighting these days is LED, and installing it is a pretty easy DIY job. LED strips can be used alone or joined together to cover larger spans. Over kitchen islands, big oversized pendants are the hot designer look. They illuminate a large area, plus make a grand style statement. Choose a dramatic shape for a designer effect. Sleek, smaller pendants used in groups provide both style and function. The reflective nature of clear crystal and chrome provides intense sparkle. Recessed lights, well, they can be overused these days, but they make sense in the kitchen. They provide ambient, overall room lighting. Position them to light the entire room, not just the areas without task lighting. Some kitchen trends to watch. Fixtures with cutouts and open cages have a geometric look that cast intriguing shadows. Farmhouse, Western, and rustic fixtures are a great look and express a refined comfort. Matching finishes? No, that's old school. Select designs with a mix of metal finishes or pair different fixtures to reflect your individual spirit. Finally, add some control. Wall dimmers let you adjust the light for every task and mood. If you have LED lights, make sure the dimmers you have are LED compatible. Some older dimmers are not, and they may have to be replaced. Smart bulbs and controls are another option. Look for designs that can be app or voice controlled. Check out our other videos or visit lampsplus.com for more lighting tips and ideas.